I'm Sean Mahabir. Join me as I show you how to install a combination gun cable lock into a semi-automatic shotgun. To start, make sure the gun is pointed in a safe direction, completely unloaded, and the safety is set. With the lock set to the combination you chose, press the cable release button and remove the loose end of the cable. Now, with the bolt in the locked open position, insert the cable through the ejection port and out the loading port. Insert the loose end of the cable into the padlock until it locks into place. Then rotate the dials to something other than your current combination. Store your locked firearm in a secure location, away from ammunition, children, or unauthorized adults. And of course, don't leave a written record of your current combination anywhere near your firearm. And please note, a keyed cable lock can also be used in a similar manner. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.